Americans back to the moon. Back here on Earth, let's check in with Wave 31 meteorologist Rob Elvington now.
Obviously, the weather always plays a factor in those launches as they watch the forecast ahead. But back here in North Alabama, some more rain this weekend.
Yeah, we're tracking that next big slug of rain moving in by tomorrow night into early Sunday, and then that puts pretty much a cap in this wet pattern that we've been in over the last week, and even beyond that. We will be tracking drier and warmer conditions by next week. Decatur, what we're seeing right now, if you look close enough, occasionally seeing a little bit of blue sky trying to break through, but still socked in with some of these low clouds. And look at the temperature, 39 degrees right now, and that comes with that north wind at 9 miles per hour. That knocks those wind chills down to 33. So it's just going to be a chilly Friday afternoon, but at least we are tracking drier conditions. If you look close enough on the satellite, occasionally getting some breaks in the clouds. You'll notice a little bit more breaks in the clouds closer to Lawrence, Franklin, Marion, and into Winston counties. But it's going to be tough to erode some of these clouds. If you also look close enough over the last couple of hours on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, we were tracking a few flurries and even light snow showers dropping in from out of the north right through the shoals. But just in the last hour, hour and a half, a lot of that has started to come to an end, and we are now tracking dry conditions. So we will dry things out heading through the rest of your Friday. We'll see if we can make it up to the mid to upper 40s. It's going to be tough, and a lot of that depends on, do we see any breaks in the cloud cover here through 2, 3, and 4 o'clock. And then, of course, by this evening, as the sun goes down, temperatures start to drop. We're back down to about 36 degrees by 10 o'clock this evening. Still tracking that north wind all the way through tonight, so just make sure you have that heavy coat ready to go if you have any outdoor plans this evening. How about tomorrow? We're going to start off mostly dry all the way through your Saturday morning and into the early afternoon hours. And then once we reach the mid to late afternoon hours, that's when the rain chances start to go up. Temperatures tomorrow, they only make it up to about the upper 40s before that rain starts to move back in. So here's a look at future radar. This is 4 o'clock here this afternoon. A little aggressive with the cloud coverage. You'll notice that it really clears out over the next 3 to 4 hours, and we're just not seeing that in reality right now. So again, I'm not expecting maybe this much sunshine, but we'll keep our fingers crossed, right? All the way through 8 o'clock this evening, we're still tracking dry conditions, and then into the overnight hours, it's possible that we could have maybe a few sleet pellets, even a few light snow showers drift by. Best chances will be north of the Tennessee state line, and if you're traveling closer to, let's say, Nashville, but most areas staying dry through your Saturday morning. Then it's your Saturday afternoon. Just a few light showers moving in from out of the west. Nothing heavy. We're not expecting any thunderstorms. Many areas will likely stay dry through the mid-afternoon hours. Then by Saturday evening, this is 10 o'clock tomorrow, you'll notice that we're starting to see that next weather maker moving in. And look at all the yellows on the map all the way through the early morning hours on Sunday. That's some moderate to even heavy rainfall, but this will all be pure rain. We're not expecting any thunderstorms for tomorrow night into Sunday, but it's possible that enough cold air could still be in place that we could see maybe a few snow showers, sleet pellets for areas closer to the Tennessee state line. We're not expecting any accumulations, but there is that chance tomorrow night and into Sunday. And then right around sunrise, let's say you're heading to church on Sunday morning. That's about the time we're going to be wrapping up the rain, and we'll slowly start to dry things out and also clear out the clouds. You'll notice that we're finishing up the weekend with a little bit of sunshine. So there's a look at the rainfall forecast. This goes all the way through Sunday evening. We're expecting about a ½ an inch. You get into those blues, let's say closer to Scottsboro and Fort Payne. That's closer to about 3/4 of an inch of rain, and that's still enough to push some of those creeks, streams, and even rivers back up to minor flood stage. So still dealing with all that runoff over the last 7 days. And a look at the 7-day forecast, we're back up to 51 by Sunday afternoon with even a little bit of sunshine. And then look at Monday. That's the way you kick off a work week. We're back up to 60 for an afternoon high, and we could be chasing 70 by the middle of next week.